So when I went through my first breathing workshop or my breath-based meditation workshop, I immediately recognized that this is something that could be helpful for a lot of different veterans with a lot of different challenges. And I think that's a very veteran thing to do is you find something that works for you and then you want to help all the other people that are, struggling with that challenge. So I would say in 2014, after we finished the trek, was my first year I started organizing workshops for veterans and their families. So just volunteering, organizing workshops, trying to get veterans to come experience this. And that actually manifested into a full-time job where I was traveling around the country, organizing workshops, co-teaching workshops, and starting to showcase these strategies that have helped me so much. Another thing that these practices do help you bring balance back to your system, but bring balance in your life too. And reiterating again, that meditation is the deepest form of self-respect. So when you're taking the time for yourself, you're really showing yourself and you're showing your nervous system and you're understanding that I get time too. I get time for myself too, regardless of my roles and responsibilities and everything that I have to take care of in my life. Number one priority is making sure that I'm good and I'm okay, right? And when you do that, you see your capacity expand to take on more situations in life.
BrainLine is powered in part by Wounded Warrior Project to honor and empower post-9/11 injured service members, veterans, and their families. For more information about PTSD, please visit brainline.org. BrainLine is a service of WETA, Washington, D.C.